Hey guys, here I am again. Happy Saturday with Barry, with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio up here. This time we're demonstrating an 8-track radio out of a, let's see, he doesn't say. It's a Ford D8 AF, so it's probably for a 68 or maybe even a 78 Ford of one form or another. Customers requested just the modern internal conversion, which is normally an FM conversion, but since the radio is already AM-FM, it's a conversion to get everything working in and greatly increase the output power because the customer went with a new harness in place of the original connector. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, the one strong station I get, so we can check our virtual balance and fader functions during talk instead of music and not get nailed for copyright issues. So here we go. Here we're on AM.
No, we got Echinacea in, which is a cross between a Rudbeckia and an Echinacea.
Okay, we're going to demonstrate first our virtual front rear fader, and the way we adjust that is we're going to rotate our tone control to roughly the center position, and then give it 2 quick turns to the right, returning it to center each time. So let's try that.
Or glorified sun.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so
very,
now
very pretty.
the same control is adjusting our front rear fader.
That we got in.
All the way front.
Plus, we just have a really good selections of the
down
Agastache.
Fader set.
Okay, now our left-right balance is the same thing, except we rotate our control twice to the left. So let's try that.
Most folks don't know what that is.
Right.
Balance adjust.
Okay,
Agastache
so
is actually
all the way left.
better plan. I'll see if I can process
All right.
those videos and post them
Left.
up on our
Instagram,
Instagram, social media, and TikTok feed. So
Give
you
it a
folks
serve.
that are social media folks, you'll
Balance set.
Okay,
that aren't.
now we're going to move over to FM, and I have all 5 preset sets of stations in my area for a quick test. And just to let you know in advance, the leftmost station is not broadcasted stereo, so you won't see the stereo light.
Ahora voy cayendo. Pero fíjate, como te decía, ¿no?
There's our stereo light. Okay, let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka on deck.
Like I've never seen in this whole wide world.
Blank spot there.
Put the girl to shame.
Blank spot.
The moon is bright. Alice in love like I do. For love, Tweedledee. You're feeling low down 'cause you're big.
Okay, pull the tape out and radio comes back. So she's fully functional and ready to go right to the customer. And this is the last unit that I actually had to do a setup procedure and test on. The next 3 I'm doing were just repairs, and I already know they work, so it won't be nearly as stressful, and those videos will be a lot faster because they're home units. So, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. Please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my options, prices, and turn times, because guess where those answers are? They're right there in the work order as you're filling it out. And then that way, if you need to call me, it's only for just a minute or two just to ask a last-minute question. No longer am I really able to field the 15-minute barrage of the same questions over and over and over from each new customer because I got to be on the bench where the work gets done. So if you could please do that research before calling me, it's greatly appreciated. So thanks so much for watching, listening, guys. Thank you, James, for your business all the way from Pilesville, Maryland. That's a heck of a long distance. And we'll see you guys next time.